Have you ever wondered how a plant makes more of itself? How does a plant make new plants? Pollination is an important part of this step for flowering plants, and for a lot of species, it involves moving the pollen from one flower to another. Pollen contains all the information the plant needs to make a new plant. To the naked eye, it's that dusty yellow stuff on a flower, but under the microscope, it can be all sorts of crazy shapes and sizes. While some plants use the wind or water to help them move the pollen around, some plants need animals to take that pollen from one flower to another, and we call these animals pollinators. Flowers attract pollinators by giving them a reward for visiting the plant, often a sugary nectar the animal can use for energy. Mammals like bats are important pollinators in Australian forests, visiting the flowers to drink the nectar and eat the pollen, getting lots of extra pollen stuck on their fur, which they take from flower to flower as they visit different trees. Birds like honeyeaters and lorikeets do a similar thing, visiting flowers, getting pollen stuck on their beak and feathers as they drink the nectar, taking it with them when they visit another flower. Lots of insects are also common pollinators. You may have heard of bees being really important for pollination, but lots of other insects like wasps, beetles, flies, ants, and even bugs are important pollinators for native plants and even lots of the plants we rely on for food. Some plants can be pollinated by lots of different insects and animals, while others are really specialized. They might need just one pollinator to help them get their pollen around. For example, the cocoa plant, which produces chocolate, has only a few species of fly that's able to move its pollen around. Come and visit the museum and see if you can find some pollinators in the galleries, or check out your flowers at home. What's visiting them and helping them make new plants?